Hi, it's Simon from Harpin's Aquatic Garden Centre, and I'm going to show you how to make some pots of summer colour with one of our vibrant bulk selection boxes. And this is perfect for 2 containers. Everything you need is in it, and these are fabulous bright colours that are going to give colour from now right through into the first frost of autumn. So let's get started. So here's everything you need. Okay, so a pot of your choice. We love these eco pots. They're made from 100% recycled products. But the main thing, just make sure it's got some drainage in the bottom. You need a hole in the bottom. Then you need a good quality compost. We like this Jack's Magic. It's got feed in it for all summer long. But you can obviously choose a peat alternative. It's great too, yeah, the Westland peat alternative. And then, because these are voracious feeders, we're going to add some extra feed. I'm going to use this Westland slow release feed in there too. And then finally, to make sure they don't dry out, we're going to add some water retaining gel. And remember, if you like what you've seen in these videos, just give us a like. Okay, so fill your pot to around about 2/3 full. Then add the slow release fertilizer. Okay, so around about 5 of these, yeah. I'm just going to put those in there. Okay, then give it a good mix. Then we're going to add around about 4 or 5 of the water retaining gel. Okay. Okay. Just then give that a good mix around. So really we're looking for pushing this down into the bottom of the pot, yeah, so the roots are going to try and find it later on, yeah. And then we're just going to top it up. And then we're ready to plant. Okay, look at these fabulous colours. Look at this osteo, this African rain daisy. That's going to give you colour all summer long. Okay, see, you've got roots at the bottom. I'm just going to tear those off. These are fibrous roots, so it's really ain't going to work the plant at all, yeah. Wow, look at that for a root system. And these are going to go in the centre. So again, we just give the pot a gentle tap, and there like that. And then of course a beautiful vibrant red geranium. So there now, nice. And then you can see we're putting a lot of plants in a small area, but that's what we want because we want to get lots of colour. Just going to now just top that up a little bit with a tad more compost. Okay. So there we go. And now we're then just going to put these. So these are trailing plants. So this is a Lysimachia. Okay, and this has got this beautiful golden trail of yellow foliage. It's just going to trail over the edge of this pot. And beautiful fragrant flowers. And then this business, and you can see they really just don't look anything at all at the moment, but they produce massive trails of these bright orange flowers. Finally, it says Lysimachia, there we go. And then we're just going to fill the inside with compost. Remember, you don't want to go too high because you've got to water this when you're finished, and you don't want all the compost pouring over the sides. So then all we're going to do now is just firm that in gently like that. And then all we need to do is water it, a pot of summer colour, and we're going to fill you in on how this goes this summer. We're just about there now, so remember, and last but not least, remember to water them. And these are really going to need watering around about 2 or 3 times a week as they get obviously bigger. As the pot gets bigger, then we're really going to need to be watering that 2 or 3 times a week with virtually a full watering can. Okay, if you like what you've seen, check out our website, and remember to subscribe to our channel, harpinsgardens.co.uk.